it's changing so rapidly. The technology is improving. What was not even remotely possible just a few years ago is within reach today, and will continue to become more accessible in the very near future. So considering that as pretext, there are going to be significant changes in the games for learning environment. And not just games for learning per se, but games for change. Where game parameters and game elements will be utilized to another degree in workspaces, in a lot of the different things that we do. And I think one of the critical shifts that will also happen is that it's going to get more and more integrated within the work environment. So how can we create more micro gaming experiences, micro learning experiences that fit beautifully into your work life? For example, I attended GDC a few years ago, which is the Game Developers Conference, and in that, one of the major developers who's developing games for just entertainment was talking about one of the things we have to think about is how can we engage a gamer for as little as 3.5 minutes or 2.5 minutes while they're waiting in the line for a cup of coffee. So considering that as a context, we have to then work backwards to design our levels in a way they will start and finish, which also means that we have very less room for advertisement if we are advertising, which also means that we have to reduce our loading time, which also means that we have to reduce the number of clicks that they have to click before they get into the game. You know what I mean? So like it goes back to this is the amount of time that you have with a learner in their busy schedule. So how can you get them right into the game environment, getting them playing a game for maybe 90 seconds and drawing some quick, rapid insights from that experience, and then leaving them to want more and come back to later, but more importantly, get back to work or get back to whatever it was that they were doing.